Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the TOEFL exam. To begin your one-week preparation first, familiarize yourself with the test's 4 sections: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Each section is scored from 0 to 30 points, totaling 120 points. Next, assess your current English skills to pinpoint areas needing the most attention. This initial step is crucial for maximizing your limited study time and ensuring you focus on the most impactful strategies for success. For effective daily study, allocate your time strategically. For example, you might focus on reading and listening comprehension for 2 days each, practicing question types like inference and detail questions. Then, dedicate 2 other days to speaking and writing, focusing on integrated and independent tasks. Remember to spend at least 15 minutes every day reviewing essential grammar points and expanding your academic vocabulary. Consistent, focused practice across all 4 skills is key to rapid improvement. Taking practice tests is vital for success. Aim to complete at least 2 full-length, timed practice exams to simulate the actual test environment. After each test, meticulously review your answers, paying close attention to incorrect responses. Understand why you made errors and identify patterns in your weaknesses. This targeted analysis allows you to refine your strategies and concentrate your remaining study time on the areas where you can achieve the most significant score improvement before exam day. As exam day approaches, dedicate your final day to a light review of key strategies and common question types rather than intense study. Double-check that you have all required identification documents ready, such as your passport, to avoid any last-minute stress. Most importantly, ensure you get at least 8 hours of quality sleep the night before the test. A well-rested mind performs significantly better, allowing you to approach the TOEFL exam with confidence and clarity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.